Shane, Devil, Saeed, Paul, Jacob, Liam, Andy, Christian Landon, John Jefferson, and Nedrin Nazaredo. It is game 3, grind after grind on Saturday, only here at Ellis's Sports Center, Las Marinas, Cavite, the Philippines. Alright, game 3. Please be reminded, may tubig tayo, malapit. Mag-refill na po kayo, mag-i-give na po tayo ng tubig. Alright. This is game 3.
Mukhang magagaling to ah.
Alright, so, first quarter. Game 3. Basket 2 points. Magaling ka na. Video record? Good. Alright. Oh. Ito. Matindi to. 3 points.
Boy, ikaw na boy!
JJ Paso down. Alright. Matindi to pare. Oh. Tiyan.
Traveling melody.
Traveling.
Meron pare,
All two.
all two.
Wala ba yun? Ano score? All two ah. Pull the back, pull down, back to down. Defense. Defense. Ganda. Solid naman. Alright.
Foul.
Foul.
Number 10.
Number 10. Alright. 2 down. Puro-puro tayo. Malilikot. Those who are free on Monday, have a game 8 o'clock on Monday here at Uncle Drew. Sana lang kumulan. Alright. 15 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. And then, pass to Holds down. Wala naman. Hindi na naman yan. Basket 2 points. 4-2 in favor of the back wall side. 40 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Pass to Liam. Up. Paul. Oh, good. Landon. JJ. Dinasa. High out. Basket 2 points. All 4. Crazy.
Dualon!
Ganda. Sayang yan. Diba? Hold up. Easy. Wala tayong pinhel. Kalma, wala tayong pinhel. Nazareno. No good.
Good!
Rapiro. Oh, diba? Basket 2 points. Score 4-16 as he scores back. 10. Landry. Ganda. No good. One more.
Foul!
Intindi yung bata. 30 minutes remaining. Yung mga magkatropa na pabigyan ni Kuya JT ha, for their group photo. Alright! 12 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Leandre! Ginagawa ni Leandre. Alright!
Counted.
Counted! 4, 6, 2, Rico for Jack. Alright. Sila pala, sorry.
Traveling.
Traveling. Jacob. To now. Up. Alright. 11 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Leandre. Diretso. Pinasa. May 10. Back to. Oy! 11 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Score is still all 6.
Kuya Jay! Itira mo na!
Rico, one more.
Itira mo na, Kuya Jay!
For Isha.
Tira mo na! Ano?
Okay. 11 minutes and Leandre out of bounds. Alright.
Sige na! Tira mo na!
9 minutes. Team score 9. Okay. Basket 2 points.
Wala! Sumabay pa!
Leaving him back. Wall side. Bilang saya si Aquino. Nasa nasa nakuha ni Sir Andy. Then, diba na? Diba sila na? 2 points.
Tira mo na, boss!
Jacob.
Ano? Open!
Diretso. Oh!
Up! Save! Pinay na laban.
Six. Basket 2. Counted. Counted. 2
Counted.
points. 12-6.
Tira mo na!
Stay low.
Yan!
10 minutes and 20 seconds remaining.
Anim na yan,
12-6 leading Wolf side. Plus 1. Aquino. Last 1 minute before change score.
Tira!
Aquino for 3. Oh, good. Rebound. Oh. Out of bounds. All right. 45 seconds before change score. Coach Bam. No good. Rebound. Ganda nito man. 2 points.
Grabe! Panay!
15-6, 30 seconds before
Tira,
change
Jay.
score.
Tira mo.
For 3.
Bang!
59. 20 seconds before change score.
Oh.
Diretso. One more. Okay.
Parang dalawa ng biton.
After that, team court na po tayo. Ethan for free throw. And after that, we have team court already. Alright. Maganda to, man. Oh, good. Team court. Alright. So now the leading team is the Doors side. Score is 9-15 in favor of the Doors. Right. We're now live here at Uncle Drew Sports Center, city of Dasmariñas, Cavite, the Philippines. No good. Rebound by Landon.
Okay.
No good. All right. Don't forget to have your group photo by Kuya J, our in-house photographer. Capture your moments. Your best moments here at Uncle Drew Sports Center. And then sports free throw. So good. Last 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Labing na intercept na balik. Down of down.
Same ball.
7 minutes and 30
Same ball.
seconds.
Same ball.
Same ball ba? Same ball, same ball. Seven round. Okay. Leo.
Pangalan ko yun.
Leo po. Oh!
Lampo.
7 minutes remaining. This is game 3. All right. Very good. 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Landon.
Oh.
But no good. Rebound. TD. Pinasa kay Liam. Up.
Foul.
Foul. All right. Last 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Okay.
Go.
Good. Basket 2 points. 9-17 in favor of the Doors. Right. Down. Inantayan. One more. Go. Five to strength. Turn over.
Sayo ko, Jay. Sa'yo na yan. Kaya mo. Yun lang.
More
Baba.
on Landon. Basket 2 points. 9-19. 10 Laban. Aquino. Basket 2 points.
Power of friendship.
11-19. Diretso. Basket 2 points. 11-21. Last 5 minutes. Basket 2 points. 11-23. Napakataas ang mga resistensya nito mga to. Last 2. 11-25. Grabe to, grabe. Liam on the ball.
May backcourt.
Basket 2 points. 30-25. And then goes down. Diyan nila Drake. Easy. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Score 30-25.
Baba mo, Jay. Baba mo.
Tigil kayo tubig ha. Maganda yung laban. Ang Pino, no good. Alright, diretso. Ay, napagod na nun. Kasi kinuhan.
Pero, Jay.
3 minutes and 55 seconds. Nedrick, basket 2 points. 4, 15-25. Ranson. 25 in favor of the Door side. Matindi.
Uli.
Wow, 2 points. 15-27. Door side. Pinasa kay Ladrick. Papalagpas. Basket 2 points. Nasa bunganga ko. 17-27. Nice.
Galing yung dulot.
Basket 2 points. Napakaganda noon.
Smart move.
Aquino. Hindi na makabulay ng pakabilis. Ayan. Last 3 minutes. After this group photo, then game 4.
Oy, foul!
Ay!
Foul! Traveling violation. Traveling.
Napakatindi. Alright. Solid man, solid. Alright.
Tira, pare!
Kaya ang ano mo.
Wala, pass na. Foul!
2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining.
Ayaw.
On 18, 19, 29. Two minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Not done? Not done? Alright.
Go. Counter.
Counted. 18,
Aray mo!
30, 1.
Tama.
1 minute and 30 seconds remaining in favor of the door side. Free throw for Ishak. 1 point for Ishak. 18-32. Aquino. Saul Jefferson. Up. Babalag. Bumalag. Damn. One more, Jacob. Alright. Another one. Basket 2 points. 20-32. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. And then Sinatra. Kay Triende.
Content.
Ito ba lang?
Wala, kuya. Hindi ka.
Alright. Triende. Free throw. Last 1 minute. Score is 20-32 in favor of the door side.
KJ, 50 seconds. Tira mo na yan.
Okay. Ledrick, 45 seconds remaining. Score is 20-32. Ledrick. Jacob. King. Back to Landon.
Oy, nakapivot ka.
Aquino. 30 seconds.
Say na, KJ. Say na.
Aquino. Coach Man. A good thing. 18, 13, 16, 2 points, 15, 14, 13, 12,
Tira.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Final score 20-24 in favor of... Ay, foul ba? Sige.
Tatlo.
Oh, sige.
KJ, make go, KJ.
Make. What a
Make.
game.
Make.
That was. Oh, wait. 1 point, 21-24.
Sabi.
Another one. 22-34 final score. Genius ka. Gusto nyo ba? Tatlo? Wow. Amazing.
Pag 3 points ka na foul. 3 out of 3! Oh my God!
Final score video.